Today, today I'm going to demonstrate um, OSPF BGP use case. This use case usually takes around 3 to 4 weeks of automation effort. So my demo will be showing how NetSysAI is going to reduce this 3 to 4 week of effort in less than 15 minutes. To less than 15 minutes. The topology that I'm going to use is two devices connected back to back with each port connected to Ixia. So yes, let us start. This is the initial dashboard. So I'll be going to start create my project and then select the project and configure the devices. Yes, I have to just click on add project and give the project description here. Project name and project description. I'm selecting the project. Um, I have a test bed where you can see the device 1, device 2 is there, traffic generator is there, and the links that are connected uh, on these devices are defined here. So I'll be configuring device 1 here. So device 1 configs. I'm pushing that device 1 interface as dynamic interface. You can see that it can be rerun so that it can be run on any test bed. So those configs are pushed. So I'll be pushing. Yes, I'm configuring second interface. So yes, I'll be pushing OSPF configs on device 1. Yes, these are pushed. So now I'll be configuring device 2 configs. Device 2 is connected, and yes, and this config is for towards device 1 interface, and this is towards traffic generator interface, and next this is OSPF towards um, device, and this is BGP is towards the traffic generator as we saw in the setup. So once the configs are pushed, we can go ahead and verify the configs. Yeah, you have to start the traffic generator. Yes, traffic generator is connected. So yes, we can see that there are no configs on the traffic generator. So now the configs have to be pushed from the NetSysAI. Yes, I'm loading the OSPF BGP routes JSON file onto the traffic generator. Yes, it has started configuring the ports, and as you can see, the ports are busy. Yes, the protocols are configured, traffic is configured. So once the configs are done, I have to start the topology and the and verify the neighborships on the device. So I'm starting topology here. Um, yes, as you can see, the topology is getting started. So yes, the topology has come up. All the BGP OSPF has come up on the traffic generator. Let us verify the configs on device end. Yes, we can see the OSPF neighborship towards traffic generator has come up, but the OSPF neighborship towards device 2 is not up. So there are some config miss. This is just to demonstrate that if there are some changes need to be done, they can be done. They can be come back and can be configured on the device. Yes, on the device two configs are pushed again, and now we can verify the OSPF neighborship here on device 1. Yes, OSPF neighborship on device 1 has come up, and we can go ahead start verifying those neighborship. So we do provide a traffic regex generator. So this will generate a regex for the user. So user can go ahead, edit them, and then select whatever expected is required. You see, I'll be selecting. My requirement is to check whether my I'm getting full neighborship or not. So I'll be verifying full neighborship for the first neighbor and for the second neighbor. We also give a if there is a common regex, then we can verify for all the neighbors in one shot. Here I'll be verifying it one by one, um, whether the second neighbor has come up or not. Yes, now let me go ahead and verify the configs on device 2. We can see OSPF neighborship on device 2 has come up completely, and again I'm, I'm doing the same re-verification on device 2 as well, and generating regex and verifying the full. So what I will also be doing is I'll be verifying BGP, show BGP IPv4 unicast summary, and I have to check whether I got 100 routes. Yes, I got 100 routes from traffic generator, and I'll be again re-verifying these 100 routes through the NetSysAI through our regex generator. So yes, then I'll be checking these 100 routes as I am verifying them. So once the verification is completed, I can go ahead, start traffic on the traffic generator, and just leave for some time and stop the traffic, verify it. Yes, the traffic started successfully, so we can see it here. Yes, the traffic has started. So I'll be sleeping for around 30 seconds. So then I'll be stopping the traffic and then verifying it. Yes, port statistics will give me the TX and RX statistics. So again, it's very similar to the regex verification. I'll be verifying the TX minus RX, so through regular expressions. So as you can see, I have used TX minus RX, and I'll be doing that for less than 1000 packets. That will be my threshold, and I'll be verifying it, and then I'll be saving it as OSPF BGP um, OSPF BGP use case, which I can rerun it. So let us rerun that use case. As you can see, That use case is already listed in templates, and I have to select my sandbox and give some name for this run, and click on submit. Yeah, as you can see, I have removed the configs from traffic generator just to give a demo that I'm re-executing it through the record and rerun method. So it has started generating the console logs. Yes, now this time it is configuring the traffic generator for the protocols and the traffic. Yes, the ports are busy, and yes, protocols have come up. Sorry, protocols are configured, traffic is configured. Now we'll wait for it to start traffic, stop traffic. Yes, the protocols have come up now. We'll be checking the verification, and all those logs will be generated here. Okay, so now once this is done, we get that run completed message. We can go ahead check those logs here. Yes, the logs are generated here. I've selected the run name, and we can see that the test case has passed and the total configurations. The coloring is like for configs is orange, and if there are fail, it will get red. Yes, you can see here we have used timings as well, the start time and stop time. Here the total runtime is around 9 minutes. We can see the BGP neighbors have come up, OSPF neighborships have come up, and we can also verify um, traffic. Yes, the traffic is less than 1000 packets. So yes, the transmitted frames and received frames are minus ones, like some control packet. So this is the use case. Thank you for watching. Um, we can see that whole use case is automated. The total automation effort is kind of zero here. The actual 15 minutes is for the manual effort that went in there. Thank you.